So you're a bird lover, loving parakeets and everything, and you're looking forward to watching Bird Live or Parakeet Live Sunday. So here's what to expect. So the live will start at around 4 p.m. of New York time. Many different time zones, but New York time is at 4 p.m. on every Sunday, unless there is an emergency in which I have to leave to do something, for example, doctor's appointment or something. Anyways, so during this 45-minute time period of a live stream, we will be doing various different activities with all of my 6 parakeets. Of course, you'll learn their names during the live streams, and you'll maybe do some activities with them too. Currently cannot let them out of the cage, sadly, since they are not fully tamed yet. Although I am planning on taming them. Not planning. I am working on taming them right now. So, yeah, that's basically it on what to expect of Bird Live Sunday. Anyways, goodbye.